You're listening to English Level Up, the channel that makes English learning clear, real, and enjoyable. The office was quiet that night, but my mind was loud. Everyone had already gone home. Only the soft sound of the air conditioner stayed with me. My computer screen glowed in the dark room, showing one simple thing: an unfinished email. It was my first time writing an email to my boss in English. The task itself was not big. I just needed to send a short update about my work. But the email felt heavy, like it was watching me. Every word seemed important. Every sentence felt dangerous. I typed a sentence, then stopped. I read it again. Then I deleted it. I typed another version. I read it out loud quietly. It sounded strange. I looked at the clock. It was already 9:30. I opened a new tab and searched for how to write a professional email. I read examples. They all looked calm and confident. I did not feel calm or confident at all. My first draft sounded too casual. My second draft sounded too cold. My third draft sounded like I was trying too hard. I leaned back in my chair and rubbed my eyes. Why is this so hard? I whispered to myself. I worried about everything. Was my greeting polite enough? Was my tone respectful? Did I sound stupid? I imagined my boss reading the email. I imagined him pausing, frowning, and thinking, "This person cannot even write a simple email." My stomach felt tight. At 10:30, my phone buzzed. It was a message from my friend Leo. "Still at the office?" he asked. "Yes," I replied. "Stuck on an email." He sent back a laughing emoji. "Welcome to the real world." I smiled a little, but my stress stayed. I tried one more time. I kept the sentences short. I chose simple words. I told myself, clear is better than perfect. Still, my finger hovered over the delete key. Just then I heard footsteps. My boss walked past my desk, surprised to see me. "You're still here," he said. "Yes," I answered. "I'm finishing an email." He nodded. "Good work. Don't stay too late." Then he walked away. His voice was calm, normal. He did not sound scary at all. I looked at the email again. It was not perfect, but it was honest and clear. I took a deep breath and clicked send. The email was gone. I sat there for a moment, waiting for regret. It did not come. Instead, I felt light, like I had finally put down something heavy. When I left the office, it was close to midnight. The streets were quiet. The lights reflected on the empty road. I felt tired, but also proud. The next morning, I opened my inbox with shaking hands. There was a reply from my boss. "Thanks for the update. Looks good." That was it. 2 short sentences. I laughed softly at my desk. All that worry, all those rewrites for something so simple. That day I learned something important. Writing in English did not mean being perfect. It meant being clear, respectful, and brave enough to press send. Hello, everyone. Now let's slow down and learn some useful English from today's story. Don't worry. We'll take it step by step. Point 1. Talking about mental noise. Listen to this sentence. The office was quiet that night, but my mind was loud. This sentence uses a contrast. The office is quiet, but the mind is loud. This is a natural way to describe stress. You can use it when your thoughts will not stop. Point 2. Showing repeated action. Now listen to this part. I typed a sentence then stopped. I read it again. Then I deleted it. These short sentences show repeated action. They help the listener feel your struggle. You don't need long explanations. Simple actions can tell a strong story. Point 3. Expressing worry naturally. Listen to this line. I worried about everything. This is very common in daily English. You can use it when stress feels big but unclear. You don't list every problem. You just say everything. Point 4. Simple advice to yourself. Here is a very useful sentence. Clear is better than perfect. This sounds natural and mature. English speakers often use short sentences like this. It feels calm and confident. You can say this to yourself in many situations. Point 5. Talking about learning from experience. Finally, listen to this sentence. That day I learned something important. This is a clear way to show reflection. You are not teaching others. You're sharing your feeling. It sounds personal and honest, which is perfect for storytelling. That's all for today. Try listening to these sentences again and feel how natural English sounds when it stays simple. You don't need perfect words. You just need honest ones. Thank you for watching English Level Up, where your English gets better every day. Like the video, subscribe, and keep learning with us.